Running a news channel was always a hardworking and expensive task. But in this era of AI, everything is possible with minimal effort. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process of making a news channel with the help of AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we will create a brand new YouTube channel. If you have a channel already or are familiar with creating a channel, then you can watch for 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, let's start the step number 1. Open your browser and log into YouTube with a Google account. After that, click on the avatar icon from here. And then select Create a Channel. Now we have to give a name to our channel. If you have your own name idea, then use it. But this time I will use ChatGPT for a unique name suggestion. I am giving prompt as I am going to create a new news channel. Please suggest some name for my channel. Okay, ChatGPT has given some ideas. These names are a little bit lengthy. I will ask for a short name in just 2 words. GPT has generated some name again. It's also lengthy. But I like this name. I will take only Insight now and avoid the news. Okay, now paste your name into YouTube and then click on the Create button. Our channel has been created successfully. Now we will customize our channel to make it professional. Click on Customization here and then click on Basic Info. This is our channel name. After that, this is our username. You can change it to make it simple. Okay, now we will add a proper description on our channel. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask for a channel description. I am giving a prompt. My channel name is Insight Now. Please write a slogan and YouTube description for this channel. GPT has generated a description with a slogan. Okay, copy the description and paste into it YouTube. After that, click on the Publish button. Okay, now we need to upload a channel logo and channel banner. For creating a logo and banner, I will use Canva. You can create from anywhere. After log into your Canva account, search for logo. Now click on blank. You will show a vast number of logo templates on the logo creator page. But need a news channel logo, so search for news logo in the search bar. I like the first one. After selecting your desired design, customize it as per your need. After editing, download the logo and come back to YouTube. Upload your logo. Okay, our logo has been uploaded. Now we need a channel banner image. Go back to the Canva homepage again and search for YouTube banner. Then select blank. Now search for the news YouTube channel banner. You will find a vast number of channel art. Select the best one and then customize it as per your need, and then download the image. Okay, now upload the banner image. After uploading the channel art, our last step is uploading the video watermark. We have to upload the logo image again. After completing all the steps, click on Publish. Alright, our channel is ready. Now we need to create news content. But the question is, how can we collect news? And the answer is Google News. Just go to Google News and select a piece of engaging news for your video. After selecting the news, copy it into a doc file. Okay, our news is ready. Now we will create a news presenter. For creating a news presenter, we will use an awesome AI tool named HeyGen. I will put the link in the description. After opening the HeyGen website, click on Try HeyGen for free. Now click on the Sign In button and create an account with your email address. After creating the account, find the Start with an avatar and select it. Now you will find more than 100 real human-like avatars. Select one avatar. You can edit the avatar also. You can change the outfit. But the interesting thing is that you can swap the face also. Even you can upload your own face also. After completing the editing, click on Save as New. After that, select your customized avatar and click on Create Video. Now go to the doc file and copy the first paragraph of your news. After that, you can change the voice model if need. It's not very important. Alright, now click on Submit button. Oops, I have done a mistake. We need a green screen background in our video, otherwise, it may create disturbance in the next step. Let's do it again. Select the color palette from here and select green as the background color. Then copy the news article and paste it again in HeyGen and change the voice model and then click on Submit button. Now have a cup of coffee, because it will take some time. Okay, our video is now ready, let's play it.
President Biden will announce new measures on Thursday aimed at helping communities across the country deal with extreme weather, as rising temperatures scorch much of the country and amplify alarms about the climate crisis.
It's looking great. Turn off the caption, we don't need it. Now download the video. It is the first part of our video. We need more parts. But the free version of HeyGen only allows 1 credit. If you want to purchase their subscription, then you can skip the next part and continue from 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, in the next step, we will use Genie AI for creating voiceover. After creating an account on it, select New Project. Then select Voiceover. Now delete all the previous blocks. After that, click on Spokesperson and select a voice model. Here you will find a vast number of voice models in different languages and accents. Select your desired one. Now copy the news article from the doc file and paste it on the Genie. After that, select all the blocks and click on Generate button. After completing the voice generating process, export audio from every block. And yes, if you are not a paid subscriber, you will not be able to export it. You have to buy a subscription, which is value for money. If you do not want to buy it, then you can use other free AI voice generators like My Vocal AI. Okay, our voiceover is now ready. Next, we will use another AI tool for creating lip sync with these audio clips. Basically, it's an open source code, and we will run it with Google Colab. I will put the link in the description. This is Wave 2 Lip AI. To connect the server with Google Colab, click on Connect button form here. After that, come to step 1 and click on the play button. And then click on Run Anyway. It will take some time to set up your server. Next, it's the YouTube video lip sync, but we will use our own video, so skip it and scroll down. We will use this one. Click on the step 2 play button. And importantly, don't make any changes anywhere. Okay, click on the play button. Now upload the video file, which was generated by HeyGen. After completing video uploading, scroll down to step 3. In step 3, we will upload the voiceover generated by Genie. Remember that this tool is able to create lip sync only 1 minute one time. Do not upload larger than 1 minute audio. After uploading the audio file, come to step 4 and click on the play button. Now this AI tool will take some time for creating lip sync. Let's fast forward this part. Okay, our video is ready. Simply click on the 3-dot menu and download it on your device. After downloading the video, scroll up to step 2. In step 2 again, click on the play button and upload the second audio clip, and then scroll down to step 4 and click on the run button. Then wait some time, and after completing the processing, download the second video. Do the same process with other audio clips and create videos with this audio. After generating videos with all the audio clips. Now time to create a backdrop or news environment to make our news video more attractive. You can download newsroom stock footage from any website. I will download it from Canva. If you are unable to download it from Canva, then you can watch my previous AI news anchor video. Okay, after downloading the newsroom asset. Now let's edit the video clips and make a proper news video. You can use any kind of video editor software. This time I am using Wondershare Filmora, because it's very user-friendly and the best option for beginners. Alright, open your video editor software and then insert all the footage into the media folder. First, insert the intro scene in the timeline, and then add the news background. And then add the first video timeline too, at starting point of the news background. Add all the video footage in order. I am going to fast forward this part. If you are confused, please watch the previous video from the I button. Okay, our editing is now completed. Let's export the video. Alright, we have successfully created our news video. Now it's time to move in the final step. Now we will upload the video on our brand new YouTube channel. Just click on the create button and then select your video file. Give a related title and then add a catchy thumbnail. After that, add some related tags. After completing the process, publish the video as public. Okay, friends, we have successfully created a news channel. Let's watch our first video together.
President Biden will announce new measures on Thursday aimed at helping communities across the country deal with extreme weather, as rising temperatures scorch much of the country and amplify alarms about the climate crisis. The announcement, to be made in an auditorium on the White House grounds, will come on a day when the National Weather Service is warning that temperatures in the nation's capital could hit triple digits for the first time in nearly 7 years. White House officials said the new measures would include funding to improve weather prediction, grants to help ensure clean drinking water across the West, and protections for workers who are most vulnerable to heat deaths. Those types of measures trying to adapt to the effects of global warming, rather than dealing with its source, illustrate Mr. Biden's bind on the climate. Even as heat waves smash temperature records on 3 continents, and some members of his own party have called for him to be more aggressive in blocking fossil fuel projects, he faces a Congress that is hostile to climate legislation. In a news briefing on Wednesday, Karine Jean-Pierre, the White House press secretary, said the new measures would build on what she called an aggressive and ambitious climate agenda.
It's really a unique experience. I would love to hear about your experience of creating a news channel using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!